my name is Alexandra and welcome to my studio. I'm Dragon Mystery Knit Along. Clue number 1 is live on Reverly. I'm super excited about this because I was waiting for it and anticipating it for weeks. It was a lot of work even releasing one clue because I was making a lot of samples and just making sure even that my pattern is already written for a while now. It's complete, but I just was trying to anticipate the questions and just making sure that it has a lot of information, which is, if I miss anything, please ask me. I have a Reverly group and it's very lovely, very lively community. People asking questions, sharing their projects. It's absolutely wonderful. So join my group there. We have a chat dedicated to I'm Dragon Mystery Knit Along. It's fun. And if you're not participating in this MKAL, join us now. So I'll put all the links below this video. It would be wonderful to see more people excited about I'm Dragon design. So what is available now is 2 files, one with beads and one without. I'll show you on one of the samples. So it's cover page, and here is the first clue. So you have written instructions, abbreviation, notes, special techniques, chart, and a small picture tutorial, which I found very useful just to make sure that you're on the right track. So I decided to put it there. So now, if you're working with beads, I do suggest you, well, you have to do that prior to work. Pre-bead your work. So before you start working on a design. So it's 120 beads you have to pre-bead, and it doesn't take a long time at all. So what I'm using here, I suggest Ancient Arts, and this is Aztec Gold. It's a merino silk blend, and I'm using golden beads. It's just so beautiful. It's gonna be wonderful. And the second sample I have here is this black cherry. It's the same content, merino gold, merino and silk. And it's a color dark cherry. Love it. It's gorgeous, gorgeous yarn. Absolutely fun to work with. So if you don't want to see how this design is gonna look like after you complete first clue, stop this video because I'm gonna show it to you. I can't wait, and I just wanted to kind of, I just want you to make sure that you're on the right track. So first of all, your purl side is the right side. And people just sometimes used to idea that the knit side is the right side. No, in this case, purl side is the right side. Are you ready? Okay. Did I promise you dragon? Look at this. Those are dragon scales with little beads on it. Look. And they're three-dimensional. They overlap. It's hard. Well, you can kind of see here they're overlapping, but I cheated a little bit because I blocked them for this video slightly. You don't have to do it now, but I just wanted to make sure that you enjoy, like you know what you're gonna work on. So I just wanted to show you how it's gonna look like when it's blocked. So yours is going to be slightly different because I described blocking on the third clue. So don't worry about blocking right now. It's just for show right now. So this is the right side and this is a wrong side. And you see those, don't worry about those little triangles that's sticking out. They're like a dragon teeth. They're actually not part of the design. So we're going to take care of it while we're blocking, and it's gonna help us to create more like a body to the bottom of this piece, and I'll describe it later. It's hard to understand what I'm talking about now, but you will see. So here it is, clue number 1 complete. That's what you're gonna have if you're working with beads, and without beads it's just minus beads. And trust me, both samples would look beautiful. See, dragon scales. Do you like it? I hope you do. So wonderful. I'm so glad I showed it to you. So okay, I got it out of my system. So subscribe to my channel, join my Reverly group because people are sharing projects and it's really wonderful to see what other people are working on. So work on your first clue, ask me questions if you have any, and I'll see you in a week. Good luck. Bye.